how I'm able to get black and white. And they're also asking me the fee they will pay to get TradingView. Please, TradingView is free. You don't have to pay anything. But if you want the premium version, then you can go and pay. But me, I've been using it for some years and I don't pay for anything. Okay. I'm using the free version and it still works. So if you have been trading for some time or maybe a couple of years, you understand that the red and green candles are not working. It will mess with your psychology. So for you to have a clear mind when you are trading, you need to at least switch your colors. So for me, I like black and white. So even if the trade is misbehaving or something, I don't care. So I'm going to show you how to set your trading view, how to customize it, and I'll be showing you this forecasting and measurement tools, trend lines, indicators. Maybe you want to add indicators or something like that. Maybe you have a trading strategy, and also how to connect your trading view to your Binance or Bybit account or even OKX. Now we have Bybit. So first of all, we need to trading view dot. Then we'll put it into trading view and do our analysis there. So I'll click on CoinMarketCap here. So once you open CoinMarketCap website, it's just a gold mine for crypto trade. Any token in the world is in CoinMarketCap. If you search a token on CoinMarketCap and you don't find it, then that means the token is not available, it's not a good token. Stay away. So whether you want to invest in any particular coin, just come to CoinMarketCap and try and do your research about it. Okay. So on TradingView homepage, we just type in www.tradingview.com. You don't need to pay for anything. Just register with either your Google account or your Apple account or your Microsoft Windows account. So this is what you should see when you are on TradingView, right? So you can see my old picture. I already have it verified inside. So if I click on the three buttons at the top left hand side, I don't know if you can see my mouse cursor here, this particular bar. The only section you are going to be using is the product section. So you click on product section. We have screeners, calendar, yield curve, options, and net flow. Just click on super chart. So every day you are going to be using the super chart. For me, I can go back to CoinMarketCap. I'll just select a random token. Then we'll do our analysis on CoinMarketCap for it. Okay. Now let's say we want to invest in XRP or we want to know what XRP is. You can see we have XRP here. You just click on XRP. When you click on XRP, they have sections that they will explain everything for you, even where you need to buy the token, the contract address, the year it was formed. Some of you are holding ADA, you are holding Ethereum, you don't even know what Ethereum is. You can come to CoinMarketCap to find more information about the token that you want to trade. So the total market cap of XRP is 143.83 billion. Okay. Total trading volume 3.5 billion. That means in the past 24 hours, the transactions that have happened inside. Okay. Then we scroll down here, we can see their website, white paper, contract addresses. So if you want to buy XRP on BNB, this is what you are going to use. You want to buy it on Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or even PancakeSwap, this is where you get it. Even Ledger is available. We have XRP wallet here on Binance, Trust Wallet, all this, and also the UCID. Every token has a UCID. Okay, always check for it. The last time XRP was low, it was 0.00283. That was 2014, 11 years ago. All-time high for XRP was all-time high $3.84. Okay, that was 7 years ago, 2018. Up to then, XRP is now ranging from 0.4 to $3. So we have just learned majority of things about XRP within just these 5 minutes. Now we check at the market section. Okay, when you click on the market section, okay, this is the chart section. Don't use CoinMarketCap to do charting. You can use TradingView to do your charting. You go to that place. So you click here to change it to candlesticks. You see here we have red and green. I don't like red and green. If you want to use red and green, you can go ahead and use it. Me, I use black and white. So we scroll down, then we come to the market section. So with the market section, it will tell you where the coin is currently listed. So if you are doing a research about a token and it's not listed on either Binance, Bybit or OKX or KuCoin or MEXC, just run away. That means the coin is not legit. For a coin to be listed on Binance or Bybit or OKX, that means they have fans, they have market cap that is very good, and they have a track record. I'm not saying you should go and trust any token on Binance or Bybit. I'm just saying for you to be safe, make sure the coin is either listed on Bybit, Binance, OKX, MEXC, or BitGet. Okay, if someone send you a link to go and invest in a particular crypto project, don't do it. If they give you a website, don't do it. So if you want to learn everything about XRP, you can just come to CoinMarketCap. You see their community. 88% of XRP holders are thinking XRP will go up. That's why you are seeing bullish. 12% are selling XRP. This is the current news of XRP. So if you want to read more about XRP, then what is XRP about? So this is XRP here. It was created in 2011 and launched in 2012. Now you can even learn everything about XRP, their CEO, what they are doing, what the company is about. It's very important. So maybe you want to invest in FET AI, you can just come here to learn more about it. You want to invest in Solana, you come here to learn more about it. So if you check at the left hand side, we have XRP. XRP, this is the short name for XRP. Ripple is the full name, and this is the short name for XRP. So you want to join their community, this is where you get the community. You can follow them on either Twitter, you can follow them on Instagram. You want to know their right Twitter handle to follow, this is where you are supposed to come to. So now that you know how to find the coin and do your research, now let's say we want to use perpetuals and trade it. We'll first of all take the short name here, XRP, then we'll now come back to trading view. So when we are on trading view, I'll just click on the symbol search bar at the top left hand side corner. Have you seen symbol search bar? I'll click here, I'll enter XRP, speak here. Okay, then I'll select perpetual. So now the most important thing here is you should be clicking on the crypto section. Then also, if you check at the right hand side, we have Binance, Bybit, MEXC, Bitmart, OKX. You only select the token from where you are going to pick the trade. So if your money is on Bybit, you select Bybit perpetual contract. You are on Bybit. Start doing my analysis. You get it? If my money was on Binance, I'll click the search box, type in the coin, click on crypto, then I'll select Binance. If my money is on Binance, this is what I'm doing. You see? Now we can do the same thing by selecting MEXC. If my money is on MEXC, I'll select MEXC. So let's say my money is on MEXC. Once you click on it, now you right click, then you click on reset chart. Click on reset chart. When you click on reset chart, I want you to observe something at the top. So at the top, we have what we call symbol search. Next to it, we have 4H. Your own might be something else. Just click on the time interval. So you click on time interval. Now you can change it to any time frame that you want. So if I want to change it to daily time frame, for me, because I do day trading, I select only 4-hour time frame and 2-hour time frame, maximum 1 day. So I can start my top down analysis from 1 week to 1 day. Then for the take profit and stop loss, I'll use the 4-hour time frame. So what I'll do is I'll select 1 day. When I select 1 day, meaning each candlestick that you are seeing here have taken 1 day to form. So these have taken 1 day, this one 1 day, this one 1 day. So you can see this one Tuesday 20th, this one Monday 19th May. You see? So we'll change it back to 4-hour time frame. So scroll down, change it to 4-hour time frame. Now after I change it to 4-hour time frame, next to it we have what we call candlesticks. So you click here, you change it to candles. You can change it to bars. You can change it to hollow candles. You can even change it to volume candles like this. For some of them, you will need to pay. You need to join their VIP to get it. But for me, I'll just stay with candles. So when I click on candles, now the most important thing here is, remember I told you I will help you switch it from black and white. So just observe, you can take notes and you go and set it yourself. So I'll just right click. When I right click, I'll come to the settings. When you click on settings, first one, symbol. So with the symbol, you can see my color bars based on previous clues. Okay, don't tamper with that one. The body black, just select black for the body and everything. Now for the time or date modification, we are going to select default, then the time zone UTC, Universal Time Zone, UTC. Okay, now you come to the price line. So for the price line, we need to add the logo. The logo is the coin logo, XRP logo. If you don't add the logo, you go and select a coin and you will lose money you will not like. So you select title. So the title is the name, the short abbreviation of the coin. It's very important. Then description. Description is the Tether perpetual contract features. Okay, we have open market status. So crypto market is open 24 hours. So this green bar here is telling you that the market is open. If it was forex and you are trading in Asian session or London session, they will definitely let you. So if it's weekend, if you are trading forex, here will be something like red or green. It will not be green, it will not be active. Then we come to the chart values. For the chart values and ticket, they are just talking about the value, the numbers on the chart. Then we have bar change. So for the bar change, you just ticket, volume, and tick the volume. Last change price and ticket. The last change price is talking about the daily close. Sometimes even the next price next to it. So with the background, you see the background, I made it the middle bar here. Okay. Once you do that, you have the scales. For the scales, currency unit always available. Scales model A and L, you are selecting visible mouse. So if I'm using my mouse cursor to be visible, you see the price is locked ratio. Scaling placement, leave it at auto. When we come here, we have the symbol name and lines. Those ones, don't tamper with them, just leave them the way they are. Then we come back to the canvas. So the canvas is now talking about the background. So with the background, we are selecting solid and we are selecting white background. Then grid lines, none. We don't want any grid lines. Those lines that are usually drawn on that. Cross hairs. Okay, this one is very important. You select black. Okay, you select black. Then we can replay mode. Leave it the way it is with the watermark. Text color 12. Size, this is the font size they are talking about, 12. Lines black. You scroll down, always visible, always visible. Margins 10%, bottom 8%, right bar 10%. Once you do this, that's all that you need. You don't need to edit anything again. For the buy and sell buttons, I can decide to make them appear, but I like them when they are all available. They tell me the margin ratio between them when I decide the fee that I will be paying. So you can see here, you have the sell button, you have the buy button. So even if you connect your trading view to your Bybit or Binance, you can easily do it here. So now that I've showed you how to actually customize your trading view, now let's move to, maybe you are seeing my quick buy buttons here and you also want to add some. So to add some, check at the left hand side, we have trend line cursors. So for the cursors, when you click on the star button here, you actually add it here. So have you seen the cursor here? So if I click here, I'll remove it. So if I want to add arrow, just click on arrow. So have you seen the arrow? This one. So I can click here to move it. Now down below we have trend line tools. So if I click on trend line tools, this one is for the technical analysis aspect. If you read the PDF that I've given to you, can now use the trend line tools. So you have the horizontal line for selecting your resistance zones and also your support level. So I just click here, then I'll just click add it again. If I also want the same horizontal line is here, so I can click here to add it. So you see I've just started doing my analysis. For me to remove these bars, I'll just right click again, remove drawings, then I'll remove drawings. You want to add text, what you want to do is you click on the annotations, click here, we have text. Then I'll just select the star button, click here. Then I can now add text. So to add text, maybe I want to write a scanner my name. So I'll just enter my side here. Perfect. You see how perfect it is. So I can click here to even remove it. Now I've removed it. So we move to the forecasting and measurement tools. These ones are helping us calculate our take profit and stop loss. So I'll click here. You have the long position. You are predicting the market to go up. Short position, you are saying the market to go down. So right now, XRP, let's say we want to add indicators. I don't use indicators. What you need to understand that anything that we are doing here is your personal observation. I can ask you, what is XRP doing right now? You say it's going up. The next person will say it's going down. So that's your personal opinion. Some of you think drawing lines, editing things on TradingView will help you make money. No. Things that will help you make money is having a proven strategy that works 50 or 70% of the time with a risk to reward ratio of either 1:3 or 1:4. Okay, you might not understand what I'm saying, but later on you understand. So now that we know how to add our trend line tools and all those stuff, and even add big text buttons here. So let's say now we want to put our take profit and stop loss so that we can now put it on Binance. So I'll click here, forecasting and measurement tools, long position. I select long position, then I'll come and paste it here. You see we have long position. Paste long position. You see I've clicked it and add it to the entry price. Entry price of the coin, which is 2.45 cents. Now we are adjusting it to the next support level for our stop loss. You see my stop loss is far away from my entry. We usually target 1:3, meaning if you are investing $100 into this trade, if it goes well, you should be making $300. That's 1:3. 1:2 means you are risking $100 or any amount to make 2 times of what you are risking. So what I'll do is I'll drag this until I get 3. So if you observe here, risk to reward ratio on the green part, 3.05, meaning if I risk $200 on this trade, if it goes well, I'll be making $600 back. You get it? Then we have the quantity, QTY. This one is what you are going to input in your P&L calculator when you are entering it on Binance or Bybit. That's your margin ratio, the amount you are investing in the trade. So the quantity, before you enter the quantity, you need to put in the capital that you are having on Binance. If you are having $500 on Binance, then we have the risk is percent. Then I'll confirm. When I confirm, this is the quantity that I'm supposed to use. Okay, this is the quantity. So I'll be dragging, I'll be putting like 100 XRP into this trade to get what I want. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now if we double click on the same page, you see we have profit level. So the profit level is where we will exit the market. This is the green part when the trade is going in our favor. So it's 2.7558. Then we have our stop loss where we'll be exiting if the trade is not going in our favor. This is 2.3507. Okay, this is our stop loss. The red part is our stop loss. Okay, now what some people are having issues with, they are not able to control their emotions because they think when they take a trade, it should just go straight into profit. Look at this trade here. Just look at this coin. If you add our stop loss, our support and resistance zones for just this 4-hour time frame, maybe we put our resistance here, then also put our stop loss, our support level here. This coin is not stable. You don't expect the market to just go straight forward. So right now I take a long trade on XRP, and I think XRP will go to 2.755. Okay, this is my analysis. For you to be right, don't expect this coin to just go straight up. Don't expect it to just go like this. It will be very hard for a coin to do like this. What will happen is you need to understand when you are trading, someone is also in another country trading. So you don't expect it to just go straight forward. Maybe what will happen here is it can come this way, okay, go this way, go this way, go this way, go this way, go that way. Okay, this is price movement because of the transactions that are happening, buying and selling, sending and withdrawing. All these are happening on the crypto blockchain. It's happening on Binance, Bybit. Someone is selling XRP, someone is buying it, someone is doing this. So please, when you take a trade, just allow it to play out. Okay. Now, I promise you, I'm going to show you how to connect your trading view to Binance. To connect it to Binance, have you seen the bar down below here? You click on the maximize. When you click on maximize, we have Binance, OKX, and Bybit. So we are lucky that we have Bybit. So Bybit users from Nigeria and Kenya, you can now use Bybit. So for me, I'm always trading on Binance. I'll click on Binance here. Click on connect. Then you connect your Bybit or your Binance account to your trading account. So any money that you have on your Binance Futures or spot wallet, you now have it on TradingView. So this is how you do it. If you have any issues, you can just send me a message on WhatsApp.